Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Apple Watch is paired to your iPhone and both are updated. Once done, install and sign into the Tesla app on the iPhone because the app acts as the bridge. Make sure Bluetooth, location, and wrist detection are enabled on both devices so secure proximity features work. Now open the Tesla app on your iPhone and keep it unlocked. We begin the active pairing and watch install steps next, which let your watch act as a remote control surface. You must install the Tesla Companion on the Apple Watch via the iPhone Watch app. This allows direct controls and status glances. When prompted, grant Bluetooth and notifications so the watch can communicate and display alerts. The app may request motion or background refresh permissions to update vehicle status. Once installed, add the Tesla complication to a watch face for one-tap access. Make sure the iPhone stays logged into Tesla while the watch syncs. That keeps tokens refreshed and commands reliable. You finish by testing basic controls from the watch: lock and unlock doors, honk, flashlights, and view charge or climate status. These confirm secure connectivity. Make sure you test at close range because Bluetooth line of sight affects speed. If the watch doesn't respond, restart the iPhone and Apple Watch, confirm the Tesla app remains signed in, and re-grant Bluetooth and background app refresh permissions. That resolves most pairing or permission issues quickly. If problems persist, reinstall the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.